How to find phantom wallet address. Hello everyone, welcome back to this video where I'm going to show you how you can easily find your phantom wallet address. So in order to do this, you first need to launch your phantom wallet, and in order to find your address on the home page, you will be able to see this receive option. So if you tap on receive here, you will be able to find Solana, Ethereum, Polygon and Bitcoin addresses. These are the addresses of your phantom wallet. So basically you can use either Solana, Ethereum, Polygon or even the Bitcoin networks, and you can use them in order to send or receive cryptos on phantom wallet. So basically these are your phantom wallet addresses. If you want to copy them, then you need to tap on the copy button right next to it, and if you want to get the QR code, then you just have to tap on the QR code right next to it and you will be able to find the QR code. If you want to share it with your friends or family, then you just have to tap on the share button in the bottom, and this way you will be able to share the address with your friends or your family members. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.